Finally, I have reached Manipal BFSI. New place, new journey, a little nervous, a little excited. First thing, I check the hostel. The room is simple, but the vibe feels good. This is where my new life begins. After my friend will explore Manipal with you.
Hi guys, I hope you all are well. So you must have heard about Manipal Academy, right? So this is the place where we create professionals. So come on, I will show you. Guys, after arriving here, I made a lot of friends. So guys, in Manipal Academy, they provides a healthy food.
There is a game zone in hostel.
All the faculty here have more than 15 years of experience and they are very approachable. I will show you. So guys, there is a medical facility available for 24 hours. So guys, dreams are set. Now it's time to chase them. I hope you all are guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, stay here with us. Thank you so much.